So I'm curious, really quick, I'll add this to the link of other tests I made and everything. Just turned it on this morning, fully charged, powered. I got a blender here. I'm guessing it's about probably 350 watts or less. I don't know, but we're going to find out in a second here. It's going to be a little loud, so prepare yourself. It's just a regular Oster blender. So let's see, I'm going to start it on low, then medium, then high. That's how much watts there are. And that's how long I can run it for in hours. Alright, so that's cool. So 45 minutes on high, and I think it said like just under 300 watts. So that's really cool. And what was that, 30 seconds maybe? Didn't use any battery or anything. So that's good to know. Like, so if you, like, I'm a vegan, so I eat one meal a day and mostly raw. But if you had a hot plate or something that was electric and maybe you needed to heat up a bowl of soup or something like that, you can probably do it. Because this blender obviously is 300 watts because it went up to 293. And on high I could run it for 45 minutes. Now that may fluctuate, you know, it may actually only be 40 minutes, you know, it could be a little less. But I just wanted to test that out because I just was starting to make my blender and I thought, let me use this thing real quick just to see. So now that's cool for me. I know I could use this if I didn't have any electric or power. And if that's 300 watts, and like I said in the other video, if you have like a 55 watt or a 50 watt electric blanket, then obviously you can run that, and if it has a timer, even better, because you saw 300 watts at high for 45 minutes. So if you needed to get through the night or something and on an emergency without power and your heat and your electric didn't work and you had an electric blanket handy, then you could use that. So that's pretty cool to know, and it probably would run, if it was 50 watts, you probably think that it would probably run for at least 3 or 4 hours, since this thing showed 45 minutes at 300 watts. And again, that's just a guesstimate, but probably in range with what it showed on the rest of the things. Sorry it's not focusing so much here with the glare back. Alright, so I just wanted to keep this video short and show you the blender. Alright, so that's another device. Love you, bye.